Hey guys, Paul Sullivan coming to you live. Hope everyone had an awesome day. For those that don't know me, I'm an entrepreneur and I work in logistics. Today, I want to share with you 3 tips on the secret to nutrition. And the secret is, there is no secret. Just kidding. Tip number 1, eat organic, all-natural, non-GMO organic foods, preferably plant-based foods, fruits and vegetables. Number 2, juice, fruits and vegetables. Number 3, drink a lot of water. It's recommended 8 to 6 ounces a day. Did you know your body is made up of 90% of water? It's crazy, huh? If you would like my recommendation on a product that you can take every day, it's all natural, non-GMO organic, please send me a private message. I hope this brings you guys some value. I appreciate your time. Thank you. Leave a like, comment, and share it. And I'll talk to you guys soon.